What if I told you there's now an AI that doesn't just imitate your behavior, it becomes you? Forget everything you know about browser bots, cloud-based assistants, or clunky automation scripts. What if an AI lived inside your browser, saw the web exactly how you do, clicked, typed, scraped, and submitted forms like it was you, all while remaining completely invisible? Sounds like sci-fi? Well, it's not. It's real. And it's called Retriever AI, the browser-native agent that has sent shockwaves through the AI world, including OpenAI itself. This isn't about fancy demos or lab results, it's about the end of CAPTCHA walls, the collapse of form-filling drudgery, and a new era where one browser extension rewrites what digital autonomy means. You won't believe what this thing can do. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how this tool is already changing workflows, breaking every benchmark, and making legacy cloud agents look like toys. Section 1. What is Retriever AI? Retriever AI isn't just another task automation tool. It's a fully embedded digital shadow that exists inside your browser. It doesn't pretend to be you, it is you. Traditional cloud agents operate from a distance. They interact with screenshots, guess where to click, and stumble over security walls. Retriever AI skips all of that. It sees what your browser sees, uses your actual login session, and interacts with the document object model, DOM, directly, meaning it clicks, scrapes, and navigates with surgical precision. CAPTCHA walls? Irrelevant. Pop-ups? Handled. Multi-step forms? Completed in seconds. It's not just fast, it's uncannily human. It doesn't need permission to emulate you, it simply does. And websites can't tell the difference. Want to test it? A single button connects you to Google AI Studio, activates the free Gemini Flash tier, and inserts the API key into Retriever. From there, you're plugged into Google's multimodal power. Without spending a dime. Paid options are seamless too, and cost per task remains astonishingly low. Think $40 for 4,000 credits, where each credit can scrape 10 rows or complete a click. That's less than 12 cents per full task. Even power users won't feel the heat. And here's the kicker, it doesn't run sequentially like other bots. Retriever uses parallel browser tabs to execute background tasks simultaneously and merge results in real time. Imagine 10 hands working while you sip coffee. This is what automation was meant to be. And this is just the beginning. Section 2, Performance and Benchmarks. Let's talk numbers, and they're wild. In independent benchmarks, Retriever AI posted a jaw-dropping average task runtime of 0.9 minutes. That's 7x faster than browser use cloud and over 10x faster than OpenAI's own assistant. Skyvern's solution? Not even close, clocking over 20 minutes per task. But what about accuracy? Retriever AI hit 81.39% overall success, beating out OpenAI's human-assisted tools, 76.5%, and leaving most autonomous agents choking in the 60% range. And when it came to scraping heavy tasks, like grabbing prices or pulling LinkedIn profiles, it dominated with 88.24% accuracy. Interactive tasks like submitting comments or filling multi-page forms are tougher, but Retriever still delivered 65.63%, while the next best rival barely crossed 46%. So where do failures happen? Surprisingly, not because of CAPTCHA, blocks, or browser security. Only 3.39% of failures were environmental. A staggering 96.61% were agent-side logic issues. Meaning they're entirely fixable. This is a developer's dream, every bug is within reach, every improvement meaningful. And remember, this isn't a screenshot reading bot guessing at button shapes. Retriever reads actual HTML structures, closes pop-ups, and handles language switches mid-task, going from English to Japanese without blinking. Cloud agents can't touch that. One key reason for its success: parallel tab execution. Where cloud agents stumble through one step at a time, accumulating risk with each action, Retriever's parallelism avoids the cascade of failures that come with long linear chains. Think about it, if one subtask fails, the rest keep going. That's resilience, built right into the architecture. This kind of performance isn't just cool, it's the foundation for real productivity gains. Section 3, Real-World Examples. Let's bring it down to earth. What can Retriever AI actually do? Picture this, 10 LinkedIn job postings. One command. Retriever opens all 10 in parallel tabs, fills in names, resumes, and custom cover letters, and finishes every application within minutes. Recruiters who used to burn hours on easy apply now automate the entire grind. Or say you're shopping for laptops. Retriever deep dives an Amazon search page, scrapes prices, specs, and reviews, and pumps the data into a tidy Google Sheet, or turns it into a full buyer's guide in Google Docs. Done. This isn't limited to job hunts or shopping. The same blueprint applies to real estate listings, competitor research, academic paper mining, anything that lives behind a browser. Want even more power? Add custom Python or JavaScript functions. Retriever can ping APIs, query private databases, or fire a Zapier workflow, integrating web data into your full stack. Imagine finding a lead on LinkedIn, then sending an automated Gmail intro on the same run. Yeah, that's real. Security conscious? You should be. But Retriever skips Chrome's risky debugger permissions, runs locally, and keeps sensitive tokens on your device, not some vendor server. Site owners see your real user agent, not a bot farm. Everyday workflows become orchestras of automation. Want to scan competitor websites? Drop a list of URLs into Sheets, set a prompt, and Retriever scrapes the page titles, prices, and funding status in parallel. Marketers now pair that with automatic outreach, contact data, draft messages, and email triggers, all without touching 90% of the stack. Bottom line? If it lives in a browser, Retriever AI can automate it. With speed, with accuracy, and with a touch of brilliance. Section 4, Flaws, Limits and the Future. Of course, no tool is flawless. Hover menus can still trip it up. Aggressive scrolls might skip lazy loaded content. But these aren't catastrophic, just quirks. And the dev team is relentlessly patching, refining, and swapping in smarter models like Gemini Pro for tricky jobs. And the cost? Still crazy low. A $10 credit pack buys millions of actions. During stress testing, 323 separate tasks ran for about $40, less than the lunch bill during testing. One genius detail: instead of pushing through linear tasks, Retriever splits workflows across branches. That's not just a speed gain, it's a reliability revolution. Cloud bots fail when a single click goes wrong. Retriever shrugs and continues on. The AI reads DOM elements, not pixels. It sees submit buttons as code, not images. That precision reduces hallucinations and unlocks complex tasks like PDF form filling. In one demo, it completed a W-9 using company data from another tab, no nudges, no babysitting. And the community? Already buzzing. Users upload workflows, playbooks, outreach loops, instantly shareable and runnable without writing code. Teams can build entire automations that stay secure and compliant. Meanwhile, competitors fumble. Screenshot-reliant tools misfire on pop-ups. Cloud agents stall on login pages. And some bots get blocked outright by ad tech defenses. Retriever's local-first DOM native strategy wins almost every time. Here's the truth: most limits are intellectual now, not technical. The question isn't can Retriever AI do it, but whether you can imagine the task and prompt it well. Final section. So, here's the bottom line. If your daily grind still means juggling tabs, copying data, submitting forms, or checking dashboards, Retriever AI changes the game. It's faster than cloud-based agents, more accurate than half-human hybrids, and so efficient it can run on pocket change. This is more than automation. It's augmentation. Install the extension. Link your free Gemini key. Watch as Retriever takes the wheel and turns tedious digital labor into high-speed, high-precision execution. The age of slow automation is over. The age of local, secure, hyper-efficient agents has begun. So next time you're staring at 100 job postings, product listings, or cold leads, remember, you don't have to do it all. Not anymore. Let Retriever AI become your digital ghost. You might find your hours-long grind shrinks to the length of a coffee break. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more cutting-edge AI insights, and I'll see you in the next one.